Hey everyone, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be doing a little night drive here. A lot of you guys have been requesting what's it like driving Tesla and using FSD in the dark. And it's honestly a good experience when the weather is really nice. Sometimes the interior camera is, can't really see my eyes. I think right now might be one of those times, so I have to constantly give the steering wheel a little bit of a wiggle. I don't know if it might be my camera or my seating position. Let's see if it gets a little bit better. I don't know. But it comes to a complete stop at this crosswalk just before. It sees the cars coming. There's no car coming, and it goes through and take the right, which is really nice. And now it's getting over to the left lane over here, and we are cruising, going the speed limit, following these cars behind them. It's very nice. If you guys like to see some of these night drives, be sure to like and subscribe, because I post videos like this one all the time. And comment down below that this is what you guys want to see. I know a lot of you guys are looking to get a Tesla. Maybe you guys have a Tesla and you guys want to try out FSD. You guys want to see what it can do. What are some, see it being pushed to its limit. And this channel is all about that. We're trying out FSD, hardware 3, really pushing it to its limit. So be sure to subscribe. Going to be making a left here, so we're slowing down. It slows down very smoothly, no complaints. I think there is a little bit of an opening here that we're going to have, and it takes it. There's nobody walking, no bicycles. And it did that nicely. And now we're following this curvy road. Still gotta touch the wheel. I think it might be my seating position. I don't normally sit this low, and it might be just it's a little too dark. But usually the camera can see me, the interior camera. I think it's just with the camera at night, it's just very hard for the interior camera to recognize my eyes. But usually, in most cases, I don't really touch the steering wheel. Like, it recognizes my eyes, so I could just look at the road. But right now, I think it's because of my camera, and it's just a little too dark, so the interior camera can't recognize my eyes. But in your case, if you're just driving without recording anything, you should be fine. It's just, I think it's my camera on my head that's making it not recognize me. It's really smooth, so I'm not gonna trash on it too much for making me touch the steering wheel this whole drive. I'm gonna try finding ways to get around that in the future, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little night drive. It's very smooth, going a little bit over the speed limit, but it's fine because this road is a lot of cars just go a little bit fast on this road. It's a very open road, lots of visibility, so lights turning yellow, so we're going to be slowing down here. Slows down very smoothly, and just before the crosswalk, no complaints. That was really nice. And since it's a nice day today and it's nighttime, we got some of those old nice cars. Love to see it. They sound so good. I don't know if you guys could hear it on the camera. That's the one thing Teslas can never have, just a nice sounding engine. I wish Tesla in the future have some fake audio or something, like revving. I know a lot of people hate that kind of shit, but it's kind of cool, But it accelerates smoothly, and now we're gonna be turning right here, so turns on its signal, slows down just a little bit. We're gonna be turning here. So stops, let these people walk. It's gonna creep over. There's nobody walking, so we could definitely do a little creep here. I'm going to press the accelerator just a bit so the car creeps a little bit more. I don't like being on the crosswalk, just in case. I think that's fine. It made the right even though there was a car in the middle lane, but we made it before the car could even come near us. I'm a little bit safer. I don't like going when there's a car at all, but that's just personally like what I do. But the car did it safely in its own way. We got another yellow. So now the car recognizes it, starts to slow down just a little bit, slowing down a lot a bit now. And it's very smooth. It's very smooth. It stops just before the crosswalk. And if you guys enjoy these videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out some of the playlists. I make long form playlists, short form playlists. And yeah, check out some of the links in the description. It'll help support the channel. The interior camera, I don't know if you guys saw it on the screen, it said attention monitoring active. So the camera definitely recognizes me now, which is nice. So hopefully I don't have to, touch the steering wheel. The cars around us are traveling a little fast. So FSD does recognize that, and it's trying to keep traffic flow. So it's gonna not go as fast, but it's traveling down the road roughly the speed as everybody. It says attention monitoring unavailable, low cabin illumination. So now I have to go back to touching the steering wheel. Yeah, it's just I guess the setup I have for recording night drives is just not optimal for the interior camera, so it's just gonna keep bugging me to touch the steering wheel. So I'm gonna fix that in future videos, and then I could do some really good night drives for you guys. Let me know what you guys think, how it looks on the camera. Does it look good? Can you guys see? I know there's a lot of lighting issues and stuff, probably. Let me know if you guys want to see more night drives. And yeah, I would totally do highway drives, night drives, city drives, night drives. It's just I really want to get the setup proper, so I don't have to keep touching the steering wheel and stuff, and it could just look really good. So if this video looks good, be sure to like the video. Let's get to like around 50 likes or something. That'd be pretty awesome. Comment down what you guys want to see, what you guys think of this one, and whether or not you guys would use FSD, And if you guys do have FSD and have a Tesla, check out some of the comments, answer some of the questions that people might have. Let's help each other out. Some people want to get into Teslas, and for those of you who have a Tesla, it'd be pretty cool to help out other people that are looking to get one and join the team, I guess. And I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace. Good night.